There are three ways you can reference a tag in Application Server, most typically when writing scripts or in graphical animation links. The first two are different forms of direct references, usually used at the instance level of an object, or when you need a graphic to refer to values for multiple tags. One form of a direct reference is to use the tag name. Since every instance of an object must have a unique name, you can use that name in the form of tagname.attribute, or in this case, level1.pv. The other usage is the hierarchical name. When an object is contained in another, such as level 1 being part of Mixer 100, it gets a second name, the contained name, that is usually determined when the instance is created. A reference in this form would be container.containName.attribute, or in this case, Mixer100.level.pv. In this example, an industrial graphic is showing the values of 4 different mixer levels, using either the hierarchical name or the tag name. The third method of tag referencing is the relative reference. Relative references are typically used when you are working on scripts or graphics at the template level. They allow for a reference to an undefined instance that will be resolved from the instance level at runtime. The most common relative reference is me, which refers to the instance, and follows the syntax of me.attribute. Another reference is myContainer, which refers to an attribute that is in the instance of the container object, and uses the syntax of myContainer.attribute. Yet another is myArea, which refers to an attribute of the area that the object is a member of, and uses the syntax of myArea.attribute. In this example, we can see there are 3 references to the attribute PV in this graphic: me.pv, me.pv EngUnits range max, and me.pv EngUnits range min. At runtime, me will resolve to the instance name of the object. 2 additional relative references are also available: myEngine, which refers to an attribute of the engine that is hosting the object in the form of myEngine.attribute, and myPlatform, which refers to an attribute that is in the platform that is hosting the engine, and takes the form of myPlatform.attribute.